Hey everybody, it's Sean. Today we're going to talk about a marketing strategy that you can apply today to grow your business. Do you know what underpriced attention is? It's called attention marketing. And attention marketing is a type of marketing that focuses on getting people's attention in order to promote a product, service, or an idea. The goal of attention marketing is to create content that stands out from the competition and captures people's interest so that they are more likely to pay attention to what you have to say. This type of marketing can be done through various channels, including social media, email, video, and advertising. In attention marketing, the key is to understand what people are interested in and what they care about, and to create content that resonates with them. By getting people's attention and engaging them with your content, you can build trust, establish your brand, and ultimately drive sales or other desired outcomes. In 1998, email marketing was underpriced attention. This means that not many people were using email to market their business, so it was a great way to get people's attention. In 99, a guy who had an email newsletter with 200 people subscribed to it, 90% of the people opened that email that he would send out to his list. Nowadays, if you get 30% open rate on an email, that's considered excellent. Why did so many people open an email back then? It's because email wasn't filled with spam like it is now. So it was easier to get people's attention through the email. But that was back then. Today, there are many platforms that offer underpaid attention in both organic reach and paid media. Some of these platforms are like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube are the major ones. Have you heard of TikTok? It's a popular social media app where people can make short videos. If you post something on TikTok that gets a million views, that's called going viral. And the best part is that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get that type of attention. To succeed on these platforms, it's important to stay informed about their daily changes. That means you have to know what's going on Facebook, Twitter, and all the other major platforms every day. It's also important to be in touch with culture. Culture is what's going on in the world right now, what people are talking about, what's popular, and what is not. For example, let's say you're selling a product. You need to know what people are talking about, what they're interested in, and what they're buying. You also need to know what's happening in different parts of the world. What are people interested in England, Russia, China? What are they buying? When you know what's going on with the culture, you can create content that people will be interested in. You have to be plugged in with platforms and culture. That means that everyone needs to know what's going on with the platforms and what's going on with the culture. Remember, marketing hasn't changed in a long time. The way we market has changed, but the goal is still the same: get people to do something, whether it's to buy a product, vote for your political candidate, or to go to your event. You need to get people's attention. So don't focus on yesterday or tomorrow. Focus on what's going on today. That's where the attention is. That's where the money is. That's where the purpose is. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.